What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we're gonna do an unboxing quick review of Fallen Footwear's Chris Cole Rippers shoe, and we're gonna do a quick skate and review about what it's like to kind of have them on and skate with them, and what the features are and the differences from past models slash even down to the box. So let's go check it out. Of course, with one of my favorite brands, Fallen Footwear. Today we got the new one from Chris Cole, or new colorway from Chris Cole, and it's the green and black sole ones. Okay, and all right, so we got the Fallen Footwear Rippers by Chris Cole. Straight out of the bat, this is a new feature on the box. They actually could have put a little cool picture of the colorway and the model from the box. Of course, this is probably like 3 years back in. The box is glossy compared to the first ones. Yeah. Let me go show you the first box of how they do look like. Alright, so here we got our first year back from Fallen. We got the Chris Cole Rippers. This is the ones that came out when he kind of came back on. This is the second time after he released the Troopers. Yeah, so the box is different compared to the new one. You know, it's more glossed out. This one has all the other like features, like, you know, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. On the bottom, we got more cool sayings, just like that on the new one. This one just plain. Also, yeah, on the first year back, the graphics, or you know, the logo and description look like this. You know, just a little cartoon sketch of it. But I guess now they got it going for with the actual picture. So let's open this bad boy up. That's the differences on the first year back and probably the third year back. Let's go. Alright, so right when you open it up, of course you're gonna get that sweet ass stencil from Fallen that they always give on each shoe. Love this shit. Just spray paint some shit, spray paint your board, spray paint your fucking grip tape, some walls, some skate spots, whatever. You got the stencil. Yeah, so besides the stencil, it comes with the cool wrapping paper, a little cool what's that called, tag that they hook onto the shoes. Yeah, and of course it came with a sticker, but I already put that on my board. And of course I pre-laced them up. But we got these bad boys in green and black sole. You can see the bottom sole is this original Fallen style, and of course got the heel abrasion. I forgot what's that called, HDX, heel resistant drag stuff. And yeah, this is Volks. These shoes are Volks, so of course they're gonna look more flexible. And yeah, this is Chris Cole's second shoe when he came on Fallen. The noticeable difference on this Fallen revamp third year back is they're a little more thinner than the puffier styles that you're used to, and they do they kind of stitch this together. This was a cool thing. I used to like it when it had the ears, the Fallen like a, I don't know, extra strap kind of almost style that sticks out, but I guess now it's been sewn on and so forth. Of course, it is a triple stitched around and so forth, so you know, it kind of lasts longer. And of course, vulcanized. The insole has changed. It looks like they're using the Impact 2 style insole for these Fallen Rippers. You know, they're really very good, man. I'm telling you that now. They're very good. They're good insoles. Compared to the first ones when they came back, they had these ones where they were red. Let me go pull that out for you. Alright, so that's the new third year back insoles, and these were the first year back insoles. They're more thinner and different from the thing, but nonetheless, they are really good insoles, except now they got like the Impact 2 kind of style on these Rippers, these insoles. Let me tell you, look how gushy that shit is. Good shit right there. Yeah, these are the revamp, maybe third year in of Fallen Footwear. I want to show you the first one that they brought back. This was the first year back, or when Cole came back. They also added this cool extra, what's it called, rubber for the sole to kind of come up. I love that shit. I guess they stopped doing it, but this was a cool feature. It had like Rise with the Fallen, but they stopped doing this one. But now so this is the first run back, and this is the new run back. This one looks more of the original style since 2003 or whatever, whenever Cole had a pro model, maybe 2006. This is his second pro model shoe, but yeah, this replicates the original style. This is the only thing that's different. This is less padded right here, and these things used to be like ears that kind of flap out like a strap. But yeah, that's the differences from those first run back, had this cool little thing, and then now to this one, the most recent models. I don't know what else to tell you, but yeah, check this out. Of course, it comes with a cool tag that I kind of cut off the shoe because I was putting laces. And also, these do have straps. You know, they hold they hold the tongue down to your foot. Got these cool elastic straps that hold it down, hold true to your foot. Oh yeah, yep, it's true to size. So if you're a size 8 like me, they're gonna fit and they're gonna go good. So yeah, this is all suede, good shit. I love all suede shoes. Yeah. Pretty good looking shoe. I've been skating these for the past fucking 3 years, besides the Patriots and the Troopers. And let me tell you, I love these. They're so good. They flex, they're vulcanized really good, and yeah, of course, they're good. Look at the heel. It kind of cups your heel in on the back part. So of course, you're not gonna get the heel dragging moving thing when you're fucking trying to do tricks. And of course, you do got that extra stitching. Yeah. Chris Cole Fallen Rippers. These are the green and black bottom soles, and this is the only thing that I don't like about these shoes is they stitch this part down. I used to love it when it flapped open like ears. It looked cool as shit. A little slimmed down compared to the original ones that you're used to, but more board feel, and of course the heel resistant sole that they do in Fallen. All right, so now that I showed you the shoes and kind of told you a little bit the difference of the old ones to the new ones to the box, and also the little changes that they had from the revamp of these Fallen Footwear Rippers. Let's go give them a session. So we're gonna give them some quick test runs. What I like also about this model, I don't know if you can see it, but the tongue is really breathable and flexible, you know what I mean? And this is how they lace up. I like it pretty snug, so that's why I tighten my shoes pretty tight. Yeah. Let's go sesh these real fast. Alright, as you can see, this is the first session in. I was doing some fucking kick flips, some heel flips, fakey ollies, I don't know, front pops. And this is pretty much what I got out of them. Look at that. Still got a lot of beef in them. Didn't even touch the suede yet from the shit. Strong and durable, good shit, quality. Yeah, I hope you liked that quick unboxing video, shoe review slash pro model comparison difference and box difference from the past years that Fallen came back, the revamp of Fallen. And yeah, go get you a pair. Go get you a pair of Fallen Rippers. Those Volk shoes fucking go. Yeah, I hope that unboxing review kind of information of the model of Chris Cole Rippers kind of gave you a feel and like for them, because I recommend them. They're Volks, they're vulcanized shoes. They feel really good. They skate really good right out of the box. You saw me skate that shit. And also, yeah, they look fucking fire. So yeah, go get you a pair. And yeah, thanks for watching, checking me out, do this little review slash skate of them. I mean, I've been skating the models, the Ripper Fallens, for years, and then of course the revamp of them coming back. I've been skating those models, especially just those models. Of course, have skated the Patriots, I've skated Troopers, and they're all good. But for some reason, these Rippers just work with me, you know what I mean? My tricks just are there. So yeah, get you a pair, check out fallenfootwear.com. They also have cool deals and sales every holiday season or every so often. So check them out. Peace out. My name's Mark. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I ain't got nothing more to say. game for fun.